Vivo launched its new mid-range Y series phone in China called Vivo Y600 Pro. Now, let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo Y600 Pro features a tall 6.83-inch 1.5K resolution AMOLED display with up to 120Hz refresh rate support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7300E chipset paired with Mali G610MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128, 256, or 512 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the optics, the Vivo Y600 Pro sports a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, and for selfies it has 32-megapixel camera under the hole punch cutout at the top center with f2.45 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 10,200 mAh battery with 90 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 16 out of the box with Origin OS 6 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, IR Blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.9 by 76.5 by 8.15 millimeters, and it weighs around 221 grams. So now, let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo Y600 Pro has been priced in China as follows. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in bright moon black, floating gold, star violet, and vast blue color options, and it is said to go on sale starting from May 5th. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo Y600 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.